second problem is finding the complete solution of the equation y double prime minus 6y prime plus y equals to 30 cosine x sine x. This will become 10 y double prime minus 6y prime plus y is equal to 0. Then y of x is equal to e lambda x. And from this will 10 d squared over dx squared times e to the lambda x minus 6 d over dx times e to the lambda x plus e to the lambda x equal to 0. So by substitution so will become d squared is equal to dx squared times e lambda x equal to lambda squared e to the lambda x and d over dx times e to the lambda x is equal to lambda times e to the lambda x. So this will become 10 lambda squared e to the lambda x minus 6 lambda times e to the lambda x plus e to the lambda x is equal to 0. So factor out e to the lambda x. So this will become 10 lambda squared minus 6 lambda plus 1 times e lambda x is equal to 0. Since e to the lambda x is not equal to 0 for any infinite lambda, the zeros must come from the polynomial. So this will become 10 lambda squared minus 6 lambda plus 1 is equal to 0. Then solve for lambda. Solve for lambda. So lambda is equal to 3 over 10 plus I over 10 or 3 over 10 minus I over 10. The roots lambda is equal to 3, 10, positive, negative, I over 10 give y sub 1 x is equal to c1 e to the 3 over 10 plus I over 10 x and y2 x is equal to c2 e to the 3 10 minus I over 10 x, where c1 and c2 are arbitrary constants. So yx is equal to y sub 1x plus y sub 2x is equal to c1 e raised to the 3 over 10 plus I over 10 x plus c2 e raised to the 3 over 10 minus I over 10 x. Then apply Euler's identity, which is e to the alpha plus ib is equal to e to the alpha cosine b plus I e to the alpha sine beta. So from this will become y sub yx is equal to c1 bracket e to the negative 3x over 10 cosine x over 10 plus I e 3x over 10 sine x over 10 plus c2 e to the negative 2 to raise to the 3x over 10 cosine x over 10 minus I e raised to the 3x over 10 sine x over 10 close bracket. Then regroup terms, so this will become y of x is equal to c1 plus c2 times e to raise to 3x over 10 cosine x over 10 plus I times c1 minus c2 times e raised to the 3x over 10 sine x over 10. Then redefine. By redefining, this will become c1 plus c2 times e as c1 and c1 minus c2 as c2. Then is y of x just equal to c1 e to the 3x over 10 cosine x over 10 plus c2 e to the 3x over 10 sine x over 10. So determine the partial solution, particular solution of 10y double prime minus 6y prime plus y is equal to 30 sine of x cosine x by the method of undetermined coefficients. So by simplifying the given 10 d squared y of x over dx squared minus 6 dyx over dx plus y of x is equal to 15 sine 2x. So the particular solution is y sub px is a1 cosine 2x plus a2 sine 2x. So this is the particular solution. Then solve for the unknown constants, which is a1 and a2. Then compute y prime is equal to dy d sub dy p of x over dx. So dy p of x over dy is equal to d over dx times a1 cosine 2x plus a2 sine 2x. It will equal to negative 2a1 sine 2x plus 2a2 cosine 2x. Then compute for y double prime. Is equal to d squared yp of x over dx squared. D squared y sub px over dx squared is equal to d squared over dx squared times a1 cosine 2x plus a2 sine 2x. So this will become negative 4a1 cosine 2x minus 4a2 sine 2x. Then by substituting, then y double prime equals 6y prime plus y is equal to 15 sine 2x. So from this it will become substitute y prime from this, negative 4a1 cosine 2x minus 4a2 sine 2x minus 6 times negative 2a1 sine 2x plus 2a2 cosine 2x plus a1 cosine 2x plus a2 sine 2x is equal to 15 sine 2x. By simplifying, this will become negative 39 a1 minus 12 a2 cosine 2x plus 12 a1 minus 39 a2 12 a1 minus 39 a2 times sine 2x is equal to 15 sine 2x. Equate the coefficient of cosine 2x on both sides. So this will become, after equating the coefficient of cosine 2x on both sides, this will become negative 39 a1 minus 12 a2 is equal to 0. Then after this, equate the coefficient of sine 2x on both sides. So this will become 12 a1 minus 39 a2 is equal to 15. So a1 here will just equal to 4 over 37, and then a2 is equal to negative 13 over 37. Since we already have the value of a1 and a2, so we can substitute here ypx, y sub p of x is equal to 4 over 37 cosine 2x minus 13 over 37 sine 2x. So y of x is equal to yc of x plus yp of x. So this will become 4 over 37 cosine 2x minus 13 over 37 sine 2x plus c1 e to the 3x over 10 times cosine x over 10 plus c2 e to the 3x of 10 times sine of x over 10. So this would be the final answer. Thank you.